Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. It is a juice month and tea of July. I'm going to make you up a fast and easy juice recipe that I make for the family all the time, and it's really healthy, guys. So if you want to see how I twine this one up, come on and let's get started.
Jamaican, here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Now let's talk about our ingredients and all the things that you are going to need to make up this strong and healthy juice. Alright, you're going to need your beetroot, 1 fresh lemon. You're also going to need turmeric and ginger, and also I'm going to add some fresh parsley to it. Guys, I'm also going to be adding my Moringa powder to this recipe. It is filled with a lot of vitamins and everything else that you need for your daily living. So come on, let's get all this together. Okay guys, right there's your beetroot. What you want to do before you get started with all of this, you want to make sure that rinse it off. Do not take the skin off, guys. The skin has a lot of vitamin minerals that your body needs, so do not take that skin off. You just want to wash it and clean it real good. Same thing with your ginger and your turmeric, same thing. So let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started. You want to go ahead and add your parsley in first. Put your parsley in the bottom of the blender. Then you put your beetroot in, your turmeric, and your ginger. You also want to go ahead and put your lemon in. So you're going to squeeze 1 whole lemon in it. Then you want to go ahead and add your water in. And now I'm going to put my Moringa powder in. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Moringa powder. Now you're going to go ahead and just strain that off. Now guys, all that goodness right there is not going to go to waste. I'm going to be using that to make a cake or a loaf or something like that. Now this is going to be a recipe that's going to come up for August, so look out for that. I'm going to include this clip right here into that video, so you'll know that this remaining of the beetroot and the turmeric and the ginger and all of that is from the remaining of the juice, so not wasting it. So okay guys, that's your juice right there, all done. I hope you really enjoy this recipe, guys. Now you remember, you could go ahead, you could add a little bit of honey in it if you like, but that thing is just as good as it is right there. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe and press that notification bell for all my new uploads. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.